How you doing? This is Steven, otherwise known as Hash Guide from thecryptolist.com, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can swap your BNB from the Binance Chain to Binance Smart Chain. So first, you're on your regular account, find where BNB is. The BNB symbol and the Smart Chain symbol is different. The Smart Chain is dark with the yellow logo, and the BNB symbol is yellow with the dark logo. Alright, so with the white logo. So find your BNB, click on more, go to swap the smart chain at the bottom, and then when you swap over, you can hit 100%, but you're gonna need some BNB in there for the transaction. So I usually just delete the last few numbers and confirm. Now if it, there you go. Now, if this video has helped you in any way at all, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next.